Hello everyone, so I thought I'd do something a little bit different for this video. I thought I'd do a voiceover and just talk you through what I'm doing in the video. So this is an at-home HIIT workout, so a high intense interval training. So here I'm doing some jump lunges but with a little pulse jump in the middle. So I'm going to do this for 30 seconds and then go straight into the next exercise. So this exercise is a lunge knee drive, so you're going to come down into your lunge and then jump up on the other leg, bringing your knee towards your chest. So for this one you're going to do 30 seconds on each side. I'm going to show you an alternative as well, so if you didn't want to jump you can just come down into your lunge and then bring your knee up to your chest just without that jump in between. So after you finish this exercise, have a 15-second rest and go straight into the next one. This is quite a hard one. Your legs are going to be burning by the end of this. I'm going to call them squat frog jumps. So the first option that you just saw me do was when I squatted down and brought my heels in together. But then there's a few different options that you can do for this one. So what I'm doing now is squatting down and bringing my legs together straight. Here we go. Yep, so this is a slightly easier version, but still really effective. Okay, so that's it for your legs now. We're going to do some core exercises. So same concept, we're going to do them 30 seconds back to back. With this one, you just want to bring your knee up towards your chest and really kind of crunch that in, and then your leg is going to go up into the air. So straight after that one, we're going to come into our mountain climbers, and we're going to do 30 seconds in the mountain climbers, and straight onto our next one. I could say by looking at my face. So this next one is a side plank oblique crunch. So come into your side plank, just bring your knee towards your elbow and really crunch your side, and it's going to work your obliques. So then you're going to come over to the other side and do 30 seconds on the other side as well, and you can repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times and then you are done. So it's a really kind of quick 15-minute workout where you'll burn loads of calories. So that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you in another video, or you will hear me in another video. Sorry about that.